created my society in 1991, and we grew with the Congress at the same time. Today, my company is now for this installation. Today, we have only 2 main rooms, but we have also 3 studios, and we have 4 remote centers over the world, 2 in France, 1 in London, 1 in Barcelona. And the quantity of material, the complexity of the network is the real challenge, and the time to deploy. I'm not a big professional of network, okay? But I know that. And I use only my network. And that is the guarantee for me, but for my client, to have stability of network. Here is ADMM with 2 Omni cards, 128 ports on Omneo, and 2 analog cards with 32. 60 key panels, 21 Romeo, and 6 or 7 DBT. Today is a very stable Omneo system. The KP series, for me, best key panel of the Intercom. And it's very stable. The communication between Omneo and Dante is perfect for me. All of audio are in Dante. If I have one device in analog or AES, I put a Dante converter. It's simple. The Dante controller permits to supervising all of the system, the latency, errors. No, it's very comfortable. Some stations need only 1 or 2 keys, and the key panel with 40 keys is more expensive. Is big for the transport, but big for the position. And the DBT is perfect. It's a small panel. Many people work with the headset. It's not a problem. You have possibility to daisy chain with PoE. It's simple to use. It's very good visibility. And the small you put on light mixer. It's very simple for me. And for the event in Dubai or Singapore or London, I have in my pocket, not a fly, and it's simple, efficient, and no expensive price. I'm very happy. This year is a very good year for me. The system is work perfectly. The network is very, very, very stable. We have a beautiful tool. It's magic. Because we don't have technical problem. We have only people. We don't know how to use the intercom. And I have a great team. And that is the reason when I don't have any problem.